If you were looking for a word to describe the Cresta, then unconventional would be a quite fitting choice, and I mean that in the best way possible. This impressive structure challenges the idea of contemporary design, pushing the boundaries of creativity. A reflective L-shaped pool around the house gives the impression that the home is floating on the water. When it comes to cities with ideal climates, San Diego, California, tops the list. The coastal metropolis enjoys moderate temperatures and year-round sunshine, conducive to an indoor-outdoor lifestyle. On the terrace, concrete panels were designed to provide privacy from neighbors. When local architect Jonathan Siegel decided to build his dream home for himself and his wife, Wendy, in the seaside community of La Jolla, he took advantage of the temperate conditions to create a residence that fully opens up to the natural environment. The Cresta house, constructed with cast-in-place concrete, is a sculpted rectangular form designed to allow the Siegels to spend most of their time outdoors. Situated in a suburban context, the narrow lot required creative planning. The intention was to maximize both indoor and outdoor space and make the house appear larger than it is. The resulting three-story residence has 5,300 square feet, with one floor underground. The house occupies most of its lot, providing more usable space than the land itself offers. The 5,000 square foot lot might be prohibitively small for contemporary architecture. Most lots in the Lower Hermosa neighborhood range from 10,000 to 20,000 square feet, but this narrow piece of land showed great potential to the architect. The ground floor consists of a common living space. The interior features exposed concrete walls that bring an industrial touch. The second floor houses the bedrooms and office. The roofline of the neighboring house means there's no direct view into this corner of the bedroom. Further down in the bedroom, there's a more direct view to the neighbors, and this is where the rising concrete panels from the deck below become most useful in providing privacy. Separated from the living space by a concrete wall is the kitchen, also featuring minimalist furniture. The concrete overhangs on the facades act as sun protection on the lower level, and an upper-level walkway, among other things, facilitates the cleaning of all the glass. The living room features a wall of windows and a sliding door from Western window systems, allowing the family to open the glass partitions to blend the indoor and outdoor spaces. The concrete floors used in outdoor spaces continue inside. The open concept allows each room to effortlessly lead to another, as the entire house adopts a single minimalist style with great charm. Despite the expansive and luxurious design of the house, its decoration is discreet and neutral in colors. The underground floor features a wine cellar, gym, and entertainment room with a bar. The outdoor space offers the privacy of being indoors, but at the same time, you're enjoying the smell, the sound, and all aspects of the ocean right there. One of its most striking features is how it practically eliminates the boundaries between indoor spaces and the outside world. The public areas of the house constantly seem connected to the deck and outdoor lounge thanks to the extensive use of glass. "70% of the Cresta house exterior walls are built with floor-to-ceiling glass. The builder, also the architect, used high-efficiency glass to maintain the interior temperature without relying too much on air conditioning. A solar array on the roof produces 6.5 kWh of energy, enough to cover 100% of the house's energy consumption in most situations. The pool also provides passive cooling to the house to reduce energy consumption. All four corners retain walls and roof planes to define the original box of the residence. The volume of the box is perforated, shaping the outdoor patio. The design of Cresta is balanced, rhythmic, and harmonious, with indoor and outdoor living spaces almost equally divided.